ಮಣಿಪಾಲದ ಉನ್ನತ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯು ಪ್ರಸನ್ನ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಪಬ್ಲಿಕ್ ಹೆಲ್ತ್ ಎಂಬ ಹೊಸ ಶಾಖೆಯನ್ನು ಪ್ರಾರಂಭಿಸಿದೆ. ಈ ಶಾಖೆಯನ್ನು ಮಣಿಪಾಲ ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರೀಯ ಸಂಶೋಧನಾ ಪ್ರಾಧ್ಯಾಪಕ ಪ್ರೊಫೆಸರ್ ಎಂ.ಎಸ್. ವಲಿಯತನ್ ಉದ್ಘಾಟಿಸಿದರು. ಇನ್ನು ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷತೆಯನ್ನು ಮಾಹೆ ಮಣಿಪಾಲದ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಎಚ್.ಎಸ್. ಬಲ್ಲಾಳ್ ಅವರು ವಹಿಸಿದ್ದು, ಈ ಸಂದರ್ಭ ಡಿ.ಎ. ಪ್ರಸನ್ನ, ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಎಚ್. ವಿನೋದ್ ಭಟ್, ಪ್ರಸನ್ನ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಪಬ್ಲಿಕ್ ಹೆಲ್ತ್ನ ಸಂಸ್ಥಾಪಕ ನಿರ್ದೇಶಕರಾದ ಪ್ರೊಫೆಸರ್ ಹೆಲ್ಮಟ್ ಬ್ರ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಉಪಸ್ಥಿತರಿದ್ದರು.
Higher founding, not founding. Founding.
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah. I was trying to. Rajini, you have to come and founding brain.
Because a new member is being added to the growing Manipal University family, and a new birth is always celebrated. So this is a joyous occasion.
And then there was this magic telephone call, and I can't remember exactly, was it with Colonel Prakash's office or the where they said, "Young men, don't worry, 12 hours to go." So I said, "Oh yes, 12 hours to go," and it works out. So for me, there is trust in
support. They have been providing visibility for the university, and it was thought that there is a natural tendency for these centers to come together under the School of Public Health. So they become parts of the School of Public Health. But going ahead, we feel that there is more to be done with focus on medical devices. I know this is a passion for Dr. Valyathan, and I'm happy to say that just yesterday we got a confirmation that there's a large grant which has been awarded to Manipal by the government of Karnataka for setting up a bioinstitute.
Why Manipal and not another institution? My experience in not-for-profit initiatives is, it is easy to write a check, but difficult to see outcomes. I have seen a culture of execution of strategies in Manipal, and that is one of the reasons why Manipal. Execution of strategies is not sufficient condition for a school to be successful. You need a public health related ecosystem in life sciences. Manipal is a mature, competent medical, pharmaceutical, biomedical ecosystem ideal for multidisciplinary work. So important for School of Public Health success. So important for School of Public Health success.